Hello, everyone. I thought I'd just share with you a few things about D2L that you may not know about. First of all, when you're on the home page like this, you can change the image for your course that you have by simply clicking on the three little dots here and click Change Image. And then you can change it to whatever image that you're interested in instead of their stock image. You can also change the name of the course. I like to mention whether it's applied or academic. Section doesn't really matter. The best thing that's come about with D2L is that they've changed the way that the course tools operate. In particular, the content. There's a new option that allows you to create content that's completely different from the past, and it's so much easier. So first of all, we like to include the standards for the course, and it's all pre-programmed. All you have to do is go find it. And so we're in Ontario here, and I'm teaching Canada World Studies. Be careful with the with this selection. You'll see that I clicked on the first one, but I didn't realize that there's two options here. So here's the grade 9 one that I'm working with, and there's my CGC 1P course. So once I have that, all of the curriculum expectations are in here, and I can use those to link up with all of my course content. But the best part is creating new units. So for instance, I start off my introduction. I'm just going to create a couple of units here. So all right, now that I've created all my units, I can change the order, and it's just as easy as clicking and dragging. So for instance, in my course, sometimes the sustainable and livable communities is taught at the beginning, and sometimes it's taught towards the end. So I can just simply drag it up, and it'll reorder everything. Second of all, when I want to drag some content into here, all I have to do is click on the unit that I want to work with, click Add Lesson. So for instance, my first day is pretty basic. And when I want to add material, since I've got everything loaded up on the Google Drive, it's as easy as simply clicking Add Material and then go to my Google Drive. So now I got to go look for it. This is a bit tedious, but that's all right. So I got a couple of different things that I do on my first day. I play some tourism bingo or geography bingo. I'm just going to add a couple more things here. And let's see, a little speed test of Canada. There we go. Now, if I want to add another lesson, I want to click back on the name of the unit, okay? Because if I click on the actual lesson itself, I'm just adding material into that particular lesson. But when I click on the unit, I can now add a new lesson. And then it's quite simply go back, find the material in your Google Drive if that's where it is. And then just include it in there. Now you'll notice that you can easily reorder the lessons. So I can just drag this up to here, and now it's reordered the lessons. I can also include lots of different things. For instance, there's a good video. 1 second here. So I find this a very useful YouTube video for my geography class. So I can just add it to my lesson by just simply clicking on Add Material, and here's my link. I like to have it open in a new tab. So now when it comes to putting stuff into my news section, it's easy to grab my stuff from my content. So when the students go to my news section, there it is. Now at the moment, you'll notice everything is hidden from the students. I can turn off or turn on visibility whenever I want by just simply, whoops, make visible to students. Hope this was helpful.